It is our pleasure to be associated with all of you respected professionals and thankful to host the event and collaborate with you all. Would like to talk something about our cement market in Gujarat as well as of India. India India is the second largest cement producer in the world and accounted for over 7% of the global installed capacity. India's overall cement production capacity was nearly 545 million tons in financial year 2020. Of the total capacity of 98% lies with the private sector and the rest with the public sector. The top 20 companies account for around 70% of the total cement production in India. As India has a high quantity and quality of limestone deposit throughout the country, the cement industries promise huge potential of growth. MP Birla Cement is the fourth most leading brand in India, with having capacity of more than 15 million tons in India with our 12 cement plants across the country. Gujarat has got maximum project in last 5 years in the country, with the highest percentage share is around 15%. The demand of cement industries is expected to reach 550 to 600 metric ton per annum by 2025 because of the expanding demand of different sectors like housing, commercial construction and industrial construction. India overall cement production accounted by 295 million tons in financial 21 and 329 million tons in financial year 20. Several government schemes such as Manrega, Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan and state level schemes such as Mati Shrist West Bengal में है, the public work schemes झारखंड में है, have added demand. There are two drivers that are driving the cement demand. The main two drivers are driving the cement demand. One is infrastructure development and another is rural development works. Growth in infrastructure and the real estate sector post COVID-19 pandemic is likely to augment the demand for cement in 2021. Through the annual per capita cement consumption in India is 130 kg, which is a much lower than the world average of 355 kg. There is a big demand gap upcoming in Indian market, especially in Gujarat state. Hope to be associated with you all in future by supplying our quality products in your connected sites. We are supplying here cement through our Chittorgarh plants based in Rajasthan. We are having a good market share in India, in Gujarat also, and hope the better support from your side and have a wonderful World Architecture Day. Thank you very much. I like to show a small PPT about our presentation. Mr. Jinmay Shah will present the PPT.
Now, I would like this opportunity to welcome Mr. Jimnesh Shah, our sponsor from MP Birla Group, to give a presentation.
between this time, I want to introduce my team members. Is Mr. Chinmay Shah. He's a B civil engineer and looking after consumer care services, means technical services of Central Gujarat area. Here Mr. Satish Mathur, he is also our CSS person, B civil engineers, and he is looking after technical activity of Ahmedabad and North Gujarat area. Mr. Lokesh Ochadani, he is our sales in charge of Central Gujarat area. And Mr. Jignesh Shah and Mr. Prakash Prajapati, both are our authorized stockists of Vadodara and some materials in Vadodara city. Thank you. Please.
Hello. Thank you everyone for coming here, and we are glad to host this event and sponsor this event. We as MP Birla Group are glad to sponsor this event and to associate with you all esteemed delegates in this. We are happy to host this prestigious event. I'll show about MP Birla Group. What is MP Birla Group, how it started, and what are its products that it is manufacturing and it is supplying in our Gujarat market and our Indian market. MP Birla Group, as it says, MP Birla is Madhav Prasad Ji Birla, the founder of MP Birla Group. MP Birla Group was started in year 1919, long back in year 1919. It's the first Birla Group. We have been talking of Tatas and Birlas, but the first group that started was in 1919, and this is that group. MP Birla, Madhav Prasad Ji Birla, is through his excellence brought a jute manufacturing company to a multi-product manufacturing group. You can see the MP Birla Group journey.
हर नए कल की शुरुआत होती है एक सोच से। एक ऐसी सोच जिसकी हर कदम पर दिलो जान से परवरिश की जाए ताकि वो बढ़ती जाए। और आगे चलकर बन जाए एक पहचान। एक ऐसी पहचान जिसका निशान देश के घर घर में शामिल, रुतबा के सपनों के रूप में, भरोसे के रूप में, और जो हो देश की शान, जिसका आधार हो एक रिश्ता, एक ऐसा रिश्ता जो खुशियों से, उम्मीदों और अच्छाइयों से और एकता से भरा एक भविष्य सजा, एक ऐसा भविष्य जिसमें हर कोई कनेक्टेड हो, हर घर सुरक्षित हो, जिसमें सीमेंट से घर तक हर बात पूरी हो।
So as you saw, the MP Birla Group's journey has been quite a long and healthy journey. From a single jute manufacturing company in 1919, it has grown to a big multi-product, multi-firm, multi-organization group. As you can see, the main business of MP Birla Group as on date is of cement. It has of more than 3,000 crores net worth of cement business yearly. Then the second comes the cables business. You must have heard about Universal Cables Limited and Vindhya Links Limited. These two companies are of MP Birla Group. And then comes the chemical company, Hindustan Gums and Chemical Limited. That company is of MP Birla Group. These are the main products that MP Birla Group has been known for. It was started from Birla Jute Manufacturing Company Limited, passed in 1919. Then it grew to a big group thanks to Sri Madhav Prasad Ji Birla, that he took over from Sri Ghanshyam Das Ji Birla and grew a company from a jute manufacturing company to a multi-product manufacturing group. MP Birla Group has been very active in community and in corporate social activities as well. It has made many hospitals and clinics and primary health centers. Now let us have a glance on these various plants of MP Birla Cement. MP Birla Cement, the cement business of MP Birla Group is under a brand name of MP Birla Cement. Madhav Prasad Birla Group's product MP Birla Cement. MP Birla Cement is total production from all over India is 1.5 crore ton, that is 15 million ton. These are the units of Chittorgarh, Rajasthan, from where the material is supplied in 6 states, Rajasthan itself, Gujarat, North India, in Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, and in some part of West MP. In every MP Birla cement plant, we have state-of-the-art technology to manufacture this cement. In MP Birla Group, these are the products, the 50-year-old, more than 50 years old this product, MP Birla Cement Chetak, manufactured in Rajasthan. Then we have SRPC cement, sulfate resisting Portland cement. It is the only company to manufacture this SRPC cement in North India. Then we have this premium quality product Perfect Plus cement, supplied in laminated paper bags. We also supply in bulkers, that is in loose, to this big project sites. We also manufacture Perfect Plus water repellent wall putty. Then we have Perfect Plus IWP waterproofing chemical, and then another waterproofing chemical SBR latex. Then we have MP Birla Cement Concresem. Concresem is brand name for project supplies, institutional supplies. Big project sites we don't supply Birla Chetak cement, but we supply in Multisem and Concresem. This Multisem is for PPC and Concresem is for OPC and 43 and 53 variant. Talking about Perfect Plus cement, this is the new age cement, best quality product that company has designed for our current real estate sector and current our residential individual house builder.
न जाने कितने उम्मीदों, अरमानों, सपनों और कुर्बानियों को आश्रय देता है एक घर। तभी तो हर परिवार की जान बसती है उनके घर में, और हर घर की जान बसती है उसके फाउंडेशन, पिलर्स और रूफिंग में, जिन्हें मजबूत बनाता है MP बिरला सीमेंट परफेक्ट प्लस, घर बनाने का परफेक्ट ऑलराउंडर। इसके एक्स्ट्रा फाइन पार्टिकल्स बनाते हैं इसे कंक्रीटिंग के लिए परफेक्ट। यानी एक ही सीमेंट जरूरी है, मजबूत फाउंडेशन, मजबूत पिलर्स और मजबूत रूफिंग के लिए, ताकि घर का हर हिस्सा बने स्ट्रॉन्ग और घर बने परफेक्ट। MP बिरला सीमेंट परफेक्ट प्लस।
This is our premium quality product, Perfect Plus cement. Many individual house builders, many house owners have used this Perfect Plus cement and they are happy to build a long life durable structure. These are its qualities, making it different from other normal cement. It has best particle size distribution. It has special additives that gives it a long and durable life to our structure. These are some technical parameters of our regular Birla Chetak cement and our Multisem cement, that is the maximum used in this our markets that we are supplying in. These are qualities of our Perfect Plus water repellent wall putty. Then comes our Perfect Plus waterproofing chemical IWP, which gives better durability to our structure, better workability to our concrete mix, and better watertight structure. These are the qualities of our SBR latex with higher solid content. It gives best water proofing. It can be mixed for old and new structures. With this, we also serve with MP Birla services. We have on-site civil engineers team where we give on-site services. We give tailor-made services for your particular building structures, for your requirement. We have a help desk number. Anywhere you can call this number and you can give your query resolved. We can give concrete mix design services. Engineer on call at your respective sites. Thank you everyone. Hope to associate with you all in future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for this informative presentation of yours. Now I would like to request President Chairman IIA Gujarat Chapter Architect Salesh Nair along with Pariti Shah to felicitate Mr. Vipul Vidhan. I would request IIA Secretary, Baroda Center, Architect Taha Kadrawala to felicitate Mr. Jinjan Shah. Thank you, sir.
We also have another sponsor for the evening. I request IIA Treasurer Bharata Senja, Architect Sudhir Shah along with Janki Trivedi to sponsor, felicitate sponsor number pathway.
We're looking for you there.
Thank you sir for your sponsorship. We also have another sponsor among us, the BBS Studio. I request the executive member of Vadodara Center along with Foreign Pandya to felicitate BBS Studio. I would like to felicitate executive member Dipti Verma along with Foreign Pandya and Your support itself tells that the event wouldn't have been possible without your support. We would like to thank our supporting organizations. I request Architect Sudhir Shah to felicitate PMA President Mr. Deepak Shah. We would like you to share some. So we would like you to share a few words.
It's a time for the dinner, so I don't want to stand between dinner and. So I think it was BMA was planning to celebrate the World Architect Day. And we came to know that IIA is also doing a same thing. And we collaborated. And we called that we went together. The sponsor was not fixed. We last minute. The venue was not fixed. We were planning to do it in Institute of Engineers. And last minute, I think that is the significance of architect I have seen. In fact, I think many of my students were there. And there are people who ask that in a project, architect and structure, both the teams are there. Why architects are paid more as compared to structure? And I think that when an architect stands in front of the land, we can visualize the entire project. And I think I as a result, and I think I congratulate the entire team of IIA, that they have vision that we will do the event and we will do this event very gracefully. And I think that this event has happened by congratulating the entire team of IIA. DNA is basically government which is old institution. We do a lot of events for the time. Friday evening talk is one of the most popular events that we have and many of you must have attended. That is about galaxy of the event, and what I do is that we will share the details of the event that we are doing to all those people who are registered today. I don't want to waste and spend time on that. So what we do is we share those things. So one thing I would tell that one of the most prestigious events is the Sanjay Award, which we were doing. And this year award to first award was given to Narayan Murthy, second was to Ratan Tata, and the third was to Amitabh Bachchan. And this year they are planning to do Management Ratna Award. And in that we want IIT to participate in a big way. EMA is having their own magazine, Samarvaya, and we are doing annual management convention. By end of this month, we are doing one event on the infrastructure. So there I want architects to participate. I think people are eagerly and very keen on very dinner. So with this, I thank the entire team for joining hands with EMA and hosting this event in a very nice way. Thank you. Thank you.
I now request Architect Ethan Shah to participate on College of Architecture SPMC Master's Principal, Professor Shailesh Nayak. And past year honorary chairperson.
I take this honor on behalf of entire SPMC family.
I request Architect Rama Parvana Sir, IAS Secretary, to felicitate SMIT, Vidyanagar Principal, Professor Jyoti Gilman, present IAS Chairperson. I would like to honor the presence of professors, professionals, and members who took their precious time for making this event successful.
I request our Chief Secretary Tama Pandawala to felicitate Architect Priyank Shah. They have also got representatives from academia. I request Niti Verma to felicitate Professor Dikesh Vyas from Paro University. Just to my knowledge, if anybody is from any other university, anybody from any other academic institute visited the Augustus can, like, audience please. I request Secretary Tama Pandawala to felicitate Neetu ji. I ask Secretary Tama Pandawala to felicitate Neil Bakshi from DMN, please.
Being engineer, I believe that we are the Vishwakarma, but in right manner, I pay tribute to the architect because even after 100 years, 500 years, your design is never ever cracked, but my engineering signal is cracked within 3 hours, 3 times. So I tell you, why Jima people are getting more money? You deserve it. Thank you.
I would like to introduce IIT Secretary Vadodara Center, Architect Taha Padawala. He is an architect, urbanist, educator who is the founder and principal of Al-Taha Architects and is an assistant professor at College Architecture, SBI Tivasar. Taha sir has designed projects that range from recycling urban land and master planning in Vadodara to the design of art spaces, boutiques, weekend houses, factories, social institutes, and office buildings across India, thereby engaging diverse issues, multiple consequences, and varying scales, from interior design and architecture to urban design, conservation, and planning.
He studied at the College of Architecture, SBI Tivasar, graduated in 2012 with a master's degree in Masters of Planning, Rural Planning and Management with a Distinguished Student Award from the said University at Ahmedabad in 2004. Apart from his engagement with the design of buildings, Taha sir has been actively involved in civic and urban affairs in Vadodara, having served on commissions for historic preservation and environmental issues with various neighborhood groups. He is the executive committee member of IIA Baroda Center since 2012. Taha has written and lectured extensively on issues to do with architecture, conservation and urban planning in Vadodara and Ahmedabad. He also has received various awards in various areas.
He is the one excited to work in the college which inspired him in vast field of architecture. He has always been into learning, brainstorming and discussing various topics. His teaching experience has shaped him. He believes everyone has a distinctive way of seeing things, approach and grasping ability, which can be direction and focus with the innovative and inspiring way of teaching method. I would like to call Taha sir for a vote of thanks.
We would like to call Ketan Shah sir, and we would like to appreciate you. We would like to call Lalish Nayak sir, to the great Ketan sir for his work in the IIT.
Being consistent and committed. Being consistent and committed to IIM. We have got two people who have been continuously appeared with us. People who come and go, but Ketan Shah and architect Sudhir Shah, they are always instrumental with us. Since I am actively working with IIM, these two people have been standing like our pillars over there. So special thanks to Ketan sir and Sudhir sir for your contribution to IIM. Thank you. And we are happy to celebrate now for listening to each other. So, due to certain personal commitments, tripartite representative architect Birju Dishit was not here. I request architect Manu Shah. Architect Manu Shah to select on behalf of tripartite chairman Birju Dishit. I request Federation to felicitate. And before we go ahead with word of thanks, a heartfelt apology to all the audience. Because this event was organized in such a short notice, in pandemic, the situation was such that arranging sponsors, getting permissions, sponsors getting permissions from their management committee was also very difficult. So we didn't short of time. And because of that, it was became a bottleneck that approaching each and every person from the fraternity was not possible. But I really be thankful to all of you who are present over here, even at such a short notice, on our informal WhatsApp invitation. We are really thankful and a heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Thank you very much. Now, yes, our Under Secretary, Architect Taha Padawala, to say a word of thanks. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of IIM Vadodara Center and Caritas Committee of Architects, Indian Institute of Architects, first of all, the external sincere thanks to Almighty God for making this event a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. Thanks to the other dignitaries on the behalf of IIM, I give a really heartfelt vote of thanks to our special guests, Architect Percy Engineer sir, Architect Jayesh Garani sir, Architect Vishal Vyas sir, Architect Ajit Prabhakar sir, who spent their time from the busy schedule and gracing the occasion, and also enlightening us, enlightening our minds. Thanks to all the speakers. Also, this kind of events are not possible without the support of the sponsor. So I would like to thank our title sponsor, MP Birla Group, and my heartfelt gratitude to co-sponsor, the Daniel Park Studio and the Plumbing Hardware. I thank BMA, Business Management Association, College of Architecture, HVAC Vassar, SMID, Club Vidyanagar, for this collaboration, and hope we will continue on this journey for the future events too. Thank you all for being present and make the celebration more successful of our architecture. Thank you all. Now I would like all of you to join for national anthem, and then we will join for.
As we started today about architecture day, I would like to let you know that we have got a series of IA events which are going to follow up after this. We try to be on schedule in informing you, all of you. So maybe the venues might not come to you, but the dates to block for the further events will be given to you in advance. We try to be more organized and systematic, that is for sure. So I request you to like this as an audience and be a part of growing IA team and the younger generation. That's what we are looking forward to, because we are now exiting people from the top 5 people and we are going to hand over to you. So the next generation, please be prepared to take over from us. So followed by this, it's a national anthem. Thank you.
Jai